Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill, a versatile kitchen companion that brings the joy of grilling indoors with its adjustable temperature control ranging from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to sear meats to perfection or grill at lower temperatures for optimal results. This grill boasts a 118 square-inch nonstick surface that serves up to 6 people, making it perfect for family dinners or small gatherings, and its stainless steel design ensures durability and style. With a high searing heat that locks in juices and flavors, the grill's hood closes to give your food those signature grill marks we all love. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the removable, dishwasher-safe grill hood, plate, and extra-large drip tray, which catches juices and prevents countertop messes. The grill's power and preheat lights eliminate guesswork, ensuring you know exactly when it's ready to cook, and its powerful 1,200 watts make it ideal for grilling a variety of foods, from steaks and burgers to chicken, fish, pizza, vegetables, and even fruit. Whether you're following a paleo or keto diet or just love grilled food, this grill has you covered, and with dimensions of 12.4 inches long, 16.7 inches wide, and 6.8 inches high, it fits comfortably on most countertops. Enjoy grilling all year long with the Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill, backed by a 1-year limited warranty for added peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.